Al-Nassr fell to a damaging defeat to Saudi Pro League title rivals Al-Ittihad, with captain Cristiano Ronaldo enduring a frustrating night as his side slipped to second in the table. Cristiano Ronaldo was left furious after his Al-Nassr side slipped to a damaging defeat to title rivals Al-Ittihad on Thursday night. Al-Nassr were level on points with Nuno Espirito Santo's side heading into the Saudi Pro League clash. But superstar captain Ronaldo failed to impress as Santo's side won and leapfrogged the Knights of Najd into top spot. He had just one shot on target during the entire 90 minutes as Al-Nassr struggled to create anything of note. And instead of Ronaldo leading Al-Nassr a step closer to their first title in 4 years, the Portugal international was left furious as he left the pitch. Romarinho had scored the winner 10 minutes from time, firing low pass Nawaf Al-Akidi after Ahmed Mohamed Sharahili lung-busting run forward. Ronaldo was visibly angry as he walked off, first storming away and ripping off his captain's armband. He then turned around to pay tribute to Al-Nassr's fans before again storming back towards the tunnel. Ronaldo could be seen angrily shaking his head and ignoring his teammates' attempts to calm him down. As he approached the touchline, Ronaldo booted a collection of 5 bottles of water, sending 2 of them flying and digging up a mound of turf. He then proceeded to head straight down the tunnel. Al-Nassr are now 1 point behind Al-Ittihad in the title race, with this defeat being their second of the campaign. Ronaldo has now failed to score in his last 2 games, leaving some Al-Nassr fans fuming at his performance. Another Hall of Shame performance for Cristiano Ronaldo from Al-Nassr. Abu Bakr and Talisca were sidelined for this $200 million man. Major mistake. And now we aren't first. Get him out of my club, one wrote on Twitter. Another added, Ronaldo is holding the super team back, with a third writing, Al-Nassr was top of the league before Ronaldo happened. A fourth supporter said, Al-Nassr is bottling the league to Al-Ittihad and all I can say is it's Ronaldo's fault. The first half had little real quality, with Ronaldo seeing a snapshot well saved by Marcelo Groh, though he was offside anyway. Romarinho had a volley cleared off the line before firing in the winner with 10 minutes to go. Al-Nassr struggled to get back into the game from then on, though Ronaldo did see Groh brilliantly keep out his late effort. But it was a disappointing night for the Al-Nassr captain, with his side now having lost control of a title race they were dominating before his arrival. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications when we post newest videos. Thank you and goodbye.